Hey guys, this is Christine Vales, and I wanted to put up a quick post today here in this connecting month of ER. It is the 7th day of the month. We are about a week in, and it's not only a connecting month, but it's a month of understanding secrets. And I wanted to share a secret with you on how to connect with God's calendar on your smartphone. So I just want to go through the quick steps with you because this is a great little handy dandy tool to have on your smartphone. So I have an iPhone here, so I'm going to just show you real quick how to add it to your phone. So you're on your home page here, you're going to go to settings right here. And once you go to settings, you are going to find a tab as you scroll down, and it will be called calendar. See that right there? Calendar. So you hit that, and then once you hit that tab, another bar will open up and it'll say alternate calendars. So you're going to hit that, and once you select that, there are some options. And so we want to select Hebrew. Okay? So you click there, and then you go out of your settings. And then when you go out of your settings and you go back to your home page, if you click on your calendar, you will see that now it shows May 1st, and underneath May 1st there's a number 7, and that indicates the month of ER, day 7. And then as the month changes, as you see later on in May, it'll change to the month of Sivan, and then it will indicate all the numbers after that. So that is an awesome way. You can get it right on your phone. And also, as a bonus, not only is it on the calendar app, but every time you open your phone, it's going to be right there underneath Friday, May 1st. It'll say what day it is on the Hebrew calendar. So isn't that a great little secret? Wanted to share it with you as we're flipping over the calendars today, so we can connect with God. So just wanted to share that with you, praying that you just keep connecting with the Lord in this month of transition. He is stable, He is secure, and He has secrets to share. So blessings. Add His calendar to your phone and get ready to enter into a restful, refreshing Shabbat. Blessings, guys, and thanks for listening. Bye-bye.